What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. So in this video I'm going to do the review of this headphone right here. Basically come in this black pouch, and this is what I'll be using to do most of my work, and especially when I'm editing videos. And it's pretty neat. I have this neat carrying case that I can basically use to carry it around. Very neat and versatile. So I'm just gonna unbox this so you guys see. So it comes in this little case. This is how it looks right here, as you can see. Basically go over your ears, very neat. So on it we have a writing which shows it the left side or the right side, so you can basically line it up perfect. Put your ways like that, basically rest on it, very neat, as you can see. Also with this headphone right here, you can use the 3mm jack cable, or you can use the USB part right here. Now with the USB part, it basically give you more control on it. For example, if you want to change like the mute, the volume up, like answer call and those things, you get it more option if you're using this. So you just connect it like so, and this part can plug in the USB connection. Like for example, if you're using it on your computer, you have more features on it right here, as you can see with this part. Just give you some extra edge. I basically use this to do most of my editing, like my videos and those things. So this is really a great product that you can have to do most of your work, and if you're connected to your computer, and you can also do some gaming on. So if you're a gamer as well, you can basically use this headphone right here. The features I love about this as well, because it comes with like a mic, as you can see right here. You can basically talk through this. So if you can hook it up, like for example to your game, your PC and all those things, work really great with this right here. And I hope you guys find this video very helpful.